Welcome to the road of freedom and responsibility. If you're in the UK and dreaming about revving up a motorcycle, understanding the various license categories and their age restrictions is your first step. Today, we'll explore everything from mopeds for teenagers to the powerful bikes that seasoned riders can enjoy. Starting your journey, Compulsory Basic Training (CBT). Every aspiring motorcyclist in the UK begins with the Compulsory Basic Training, or CBT. This initial step ensures that riders have the essential skills to navigate roads safely. From age 16, you can start training on mopeds and light motorcycles, setting the stage for a thrilling yet responsible riding experience. Have you completed your CBT yet? Or are you planning to? Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Climbing the ladder, from mopeds to unrestricted motorcycles, as riders age and gain experience, they can move from 125cc bikes at 17 to powerful unrestricted motorcycles at 24 through direct access, or progressively from 21. Each license category, A1, A2 and A, has specific power limits, ensuring riders are equipped to handle their bikes safely. What bike are you aiming for next in your motorcycling journey? Let's discuss the best options for each stage of your riding career. Beyond the basics, gearing up for the practical tests. After mastering the theory, the practical tests are your gateway to full licensure. These consist of 2 modules, one focusing on off-road exercises and the other on real-world riding. Success in these tests proves your readiness to take on more challenging rides. If you've recently taken the practical tests, what tips can you share with those preparing for theirs? We've covered the crucial steps from starting your motorcycling journey with CBT to achieving the freedom of riding unrestricted bikes. Whether you're a young enthusiast or a veteran rider looking to upgrade, understanding these regulations will ensure your journey is both exciting and safe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights on navigating the road safely and legally. Ride safe!